Welcome back, guys. I'm KP. This is Geno J, the real estate guru. And today we want to welcome you back to a project that we started quite a while ago. You won't even believe what happened to this house. So I'll let Gene explain to you guys what happened.
All right, guys, this used to be a single-story ranch house. It was also a burnout. We took the top off, we added a second-story addition. But before I show you how we did it and why we did it, make sure you hit the link below and subscribe to the channel. So now I'm going to take you back and look at what it used to look like, and then we'll circle back around and show you this project now, guys. Right now it's a single family ranch home, and it's also a home that has fire damage. As you can see, we've already gutted all of the sheetrock out of the house, but the house has pretty extensive fire damage in the ceiling joist and also in the roof. But for us, it really doesn't matter because we're going to save the brick, and we're gutting everything in the inside. And then we're going to add obviously additional support and reframe this house and turn it into a single family second story addition. So when we finish, this will be a two-story house with an open floor plan. All right, guys, we're back. I want to share with you some of the numbers on this house. We paid $68,000 for this house. Obviously, like I said before, it was a burnout. It's the second story addition. We took the top off, we reframed it up. Our budget on this house is $150,000. Now that could go over, it may come in under, just depending on how much you run into when you're doing these type of projects. And I'm going to try to break down some of the challenges that we had with this project. And I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of the stuff that we've done to the outside. And then KP is going to take you inside and share with you some of the stuff that we've done to the inside of this house. All right, guys, this is it. This is the property. As you can see, we took the top off. We added a second story addition. We saved all the original brick on this house. One of the other things that we did was we changed the location of the front door. The front door, you can't tell, but it was actually right here. And we relocated the front door to here. And I'll come a little closer, and as I get closer, you'll be able to see where the old front door is. You see this line here that goes down? We added this porch on to kind of give it some more curb appeal and to give it some more character. And I'm going to walk around the side of the house and just show you some stuff that we've done to the side of the house. You can see everything up top is siding, and everything down below is the brick. And because of the price point and where the budget is, one of the things that we did was we decided to do a pier system. Instead of doing brick and all of this back, we decided to put it on piers. And then we also decided to cover the back area in the back porch. Now we're not finished with the back, so just kind of disregard the mess and some of the unfinished work. Everything's kind of still in progress, but this is the pier system that we put the house on. Turn over to KP, and he's going to walk you through the kitchen and the bathroom area.
All right, guys, let me show you what's going on inside. Crazy, right? I think that's crazy. Wait till we put these finishes in here. For instance, this area right here is the island. We're going to have a 9-inch overhang, allowing you to put bar stools up under the island. Right above that will be where the pendant lights will be. And check this out. This wall right here behind me, we're tiling the entire wall. We're going to go ahead and put a stainless steel vent hood over the range along with the granite countertops. While this whole wall is being tiled, we're still going to have wooden shelves along the tiled wall to give it that wow factor. And over here, of course, we'll have the sink, granite, more tile on the walls. Because we want, when you open this door, we want this area to blow you away. And we plan on doing that with the right selections of tile, granite, and countertop. Right here is one of the many bathrooms in this house. This is the downstairs bath. It will have a large vanity. We already got the floor tile in, another nice pattern tile. And right behind me, of course, you know we had to do that subway in a herringbone pattern. So we're gonna go upstairs and check out some of the other bathrooms that we have up here. You know we had to do a Jack and Jill. Look right through that thing. So the two bedrooms on the right side of upstairs have a Jack and Jill with its own entry for both bedrooms. And a nice countertop space will be laid here with granite when we apply the kitchen granite. Now behind me is the tub, freshly tiled. Same thing. We got the herringbone pattern on the wall in the back, the regular subway brick pattern on the left and right of the shower. Yeah, you know we had to get funky on the floors. We love those pattern tiles in our bathroom. Now let's go check out the master. Look at that double tray ceiling. It's beautiful. We got several can lights in here. I think it's about 6 or 8. Check out this master bathroom. Large vanity. Large. When I say large, I mean 8 feet. 8 feet vanity in the master. Oh, back here? Oh, that's just the tub. With the nice tile on the walls. Oh, what's behind the tub? You mean here? Oh, it's just another huge shower that we always do. Can't wait for you guys to see the finished product, because this bathroom in this master may be one of my favorites. So, oh, I didn't show you the floor. Look at the floor. Gray hexagon. Crazy. Yeah. You're gonna love it. Attention to detail, that's what we do. So yeah, those are just a couple features that we decided to put in this pop the top. Everything that I'm walking on right now, this entire upstairs is brand new. This house, like Gene said, used to be a ranch. So everything I'm walking on is all new construction. New windows, new floor, new walls, new electrical, new plumbing, everything. So we hope you enjoyed this scenario, because we got plenty more to come. Pop the tops, additions, new builds, etc. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you click that like button, subscribe, and please comment with your questions or thoughts. And we'll be sure to try to get back to you.